You may have heard our next guest's music on the NBC show Chuck, or in her duet with Glee star Darren Criss.
Now, Charlene Kaye brings her unique sound to Charlotte's Fillmore tomorrow night. Now, this morning, you get a peek at what audience will hear.
Welcome Charlene Kaye with Animal Love 1.
1, 2. Ghosts, but it's your pretty green eyes that please me the most. I fully know this is dangerous, but I've never been too good at control. 'Cause when I look at you, baby, it's like looking straight into the sun. And I don't wanna look away, 'cause I know I'm gonna lose my guns. Oh, go ahead and take my conviction. Crouching low like a jungle cat, but something tells me I'll be content to be trapped. One fleeting look and there goes my breath. But no pleasure comes without consequence. Tell me, is this for the moment, or do you really think we could last? Oh, oh, oh. Boy, I really need to know. I don't have time to be playing like that. Oh, gonna leave reaching for my hands, and every sturdy brick crumbles to sand. So let your bones show, let your bones show. Won't have to hide anymore. Our animal love, being on to protect the both of us. Good job.
Thank you so
I
much.
love the sound.
Thank you very much.
How do you describe your music?
I would call it throwback pop with a little bit of soul.
That's a good way to explain it. Yes, it's throwback pop.
Animal Love. It should be the theme song for the next Twilight movie. There you go, Animal Love.
Vampire love.
I understand your fans actually funded your second album?
Yes, yes.
How did that come about?
I'm extremely lucky. There's a website called Kickstarter that a bunch of my musician friends have also used to fund their albums, and it's a great way for fans to get involved in the recording process and in helping something happen of musicians that they believe in and want to see future projects happen. And so I started a project on Kickstarter, and my goal was $20,000, and in return for pledging money, fans can get all sorts of cool stuff in return. Like you can get a poster for a certain amount, and if the number increases as the number increases, the coolness of the perks.
That's great, though. That's got to feel really good. How much fun is that? You can go see Charlene Kaye tomorrow night at the Fillmore. All the details are at livenation.com. Livenation.com. The Fillmore, a great place to see a show. Thanks to the band. Thank you, Charlene. We appreciate it.
Thank you,
great.